Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on the Port Royal main road. This is the road that takes you from Port Royal back into Kingston. Takes you from Port Royal to the roundabout where you can either go to the airport, the Norman Manley International Airport, or go on to the Palisades Strip and head into Kingston. There's another road called Port Royal Street. That is the road in downtown Kingston that takes you into downtown. So this is the Port Royal main road, the one that takes you into the town of Port Royal from the airport roundabout. Now the government has some big plans, billion-dollar plans for Port Royal. And one of the things that they have planned is to expand this road, to upgrade this road. Now, I'm not sure if they're going to just widen it or make it into a 4-lane highway, but the government didn't say that part of the plans, the billion-dollar plans that they have for Port Royal, is upgrading this road. Dr. Holness also announced plans for critical infrastructure improvements, including a sewage treatment plant, as well as to improve the road from the roundabout into the town. So the government recently opened a cruise ship pier out in Port Royal. So cruise ships are now coming into Port Royal, and Port Royal is one of the places in Jamaica that has a lot of potential becoming a major tourist area. Jamaicans also visit Port Royal a lot there because of its historic value and because of some very famous or popular restaurants over there. So with the road being fixed, it will definitely it will increase traffic to Port Royal. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what the government has planned for Port Royal. Prime Minister Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Holness has announced additional development plans aimed at transforming Port Royal into a vibrant economic hub that will boost tourism and enhance local infrastructure. Speaking at the commissioning ceremony for the Port Royal potable water transmission main upgrade, Prime Minister Holness said, if properly developed, the city could provide the revenues that would not only develop Port Royal but develop the wider Jamaica. He explained that investments have already been made, including facilities for docking cruise ships and receiving cruise ship visitors, establishment of a new pier and customs facilities, as well as a new museum and restaurant which will be opened soon. Dr. Holness also announced plans for critical infrastructure improvements, including a sewage treatment plant, as well as to improve the road from the roundabout into the town. We have actually built the sewage plant now. We have to lay the pipes to connect the homes and the facilities to the treatment plant, he explained. Prime Minister Holness said that all of this investment is to create Port Royal as a new destination, not just for tourists to come, but to enhance what is already the case. Port Royal is the destination for people in Kingston and St. Andrew. Port Royal is going to become a new economic hub for Kingston, where cruise ships will come to explore the rich history that is here, he stated. Dr. Holness also reassured local businesses that these developments aim to support rather than displace them. We are going to make the investments to support them further in improving and expanding their product, he said. With an estimated investment exceeding $2 billion, Prime Minister Holness said these initiatives will yield long-term economic benefits. It will create revenues which will more than pay back for the over $2 billion worth of investment. It will last us 20, 30, 40 years, he stated. He added that the government's commitment to revitalizing Port Royal reflects its broader strategy to enhance Jamaica's economic landscape through targeted investments in key areas. Alright guys, let us know what you think. That's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. I think this is good news. Port Royal has a lot of potential. A lot. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.